What's up guys, Landry from AirMarksman, here with another new product. If you've got an impact with a backbone rail, what we have for you is an adjustable cheek piece. You look at this thing, really nice setup. You get lower than factory with up to 1 inch of extension for your cheek weld, and then it's a nice rubberized cheek piece that doesn't pull facial hair. This thing is super comfortable. So let's go over the install of this. We got an impact already with our backbone installed. So with a 2mm Allen key, we're gonna remove the factory cheek piece. Okay, 4 bolts on the back have been loosened and removed. Now we're ready for the install of the adjustable cheek piece. You'll see on the backbone rail, you've got these holes in the side, and that's where this piece is going to line up. Install that. Your kit's going to come with 4 bolts that are installed with a 4mm Allen key. I'd suggest just snug these up at first because you're going to want to adjust this to get your proper cheek weld in alignment with your scope. So as you can see right now, that's the lowest position. It's actually 1/8 of an inch lower than the factory. And now if you really want that extension, you can go up to 1 inch high. And once you get that fine-tuned where you want it to fit you, just snug these 4mm back down, and that's not going anywhere. All right, and if you guys want to be the first to know about new AirMarksman product, like this video, click the subscribe link, and you'll be catching everything that we're releasing from AirMarksman.